Good morning, Reynaldo. I hope you are having a wonderful day today and that you're ready to begin working on IEP Goals 1 and 2. So, for goal number 1, we are going to continue to talk about past tense verbs. So here we have two images talking about past tense and present tense. So we know that past tense verbs are telling us what has already happened. And usually when we are, past tense verbs, end in either ed, like these words you have right here, or there are times where the word changes. And then there are other times where the word stays the same. You do not add anything to it. You do not take off anything. They stay the same whether you're talking about it in the past or in the present. Then over here to our right, we have our present tense verbs. And it's present tense verbs tell us what is happening now. So here we have smile, drive. We could also put waving or wave. These are present tense and these are our past tense. So for goal number 1, this is our worksheet. We have little girls in each sentence. So if you can please take out this worksheet, we will be doing question number 1 together. So this is our worksheet, Ray. Do not forget to write your name and the date somewhere up here. And for this worksheet, if you pay attention to every little girl, there is a verb on top of her. And all the verbs are different. What we are going to do in this worksheet is we are going to get this verb. They're giving us this verb is a present tense verb. And we have to make this present tense verb and write it in the past. So here our sentence is talking about yesterday. So they're talking past tense. However, this verb is right here is present tense. So we need to change it to the past. So let's read the sentence. It says, yesterday Sam blank a hot dog and fries. So our present tense verb is get. How would we change this present tense verb in the past? What would our new word be? Are we going to add ed? Or is the word going to stay the same? Or is it going to change completely? Yes, good job. The word is going to change. Because we cannot put get it. That is not a word. And get, did we put yesterday Sam get a hot dog and fries? That does not sound good either. So then we have to change get to got. Good job. So now it's supposed to sound yesterday Sam got. So let's write it down here. Got a hot dog and fries. And that sounds way better. Awesome job, Ray. So now that is what you are going to do for the rest of the questions. Just make sure you read the sentence, then you read your present tense verb, and check whether you have to add ed to the word, or does the word stay the same, or do you have to change the word, spell it differently like the way we did it in question number 1. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. If not, we will continue to work on goal number 2. So for goal number 2, Ray, we are going to continue to talk about making inferences and drawing conclusions based on information from the text. So let's go over what is making inferences. So we know that using clues to figure out what the author is not saying is making inferences. That is how we infer or draw conclusions. Either or is good. And how do we find out what the author is not saying? How do we figure that out? How do we make inferences? Can you tell me? Yes, good job. We use clues from the book or the text. Plus, we put it together with things we already know, with background experiences, with prior knowledge, with things we have already seen, we have gone through, we have read about. And when we put those two things together, we make inferences. And when we make inferences, we usually start the sentence with I think, I predict, my guess is, or maybe. And we use these to start our sentences because we aren't sure that that is what is going on because the author is not stating it. We aren't for sure. However, because of the clues we get from the book and the things we already know, we kind of give ourselves an idea of what is going on. So for today's worksheet, we will be working on making inferences. There is a picture of a little girl on the right side. If you can please take out this worksheet. So this is the worksheet for today, Ray. Make sure you write your name and the date. And on the top it says, look at the picture. Use what you know or what you already know about life. Then search for clues in the picture to make an inference about what might be happening. So I'm going to help you with the clues in the picture box, and you will do the what I know on your own and also making the inference on your own. Then you will answer questions 1, 2, and 3 based on the picture and the inferences we created. So let's start with clues in the picture. So what do we see in the picture, Ray? Yes, good job. We see a girl with a jacket. We see snow. We see that they're throwing, well, I think they are throwing, they're having a snowball fight. So I'm going to put snowball fight. And those are the only clues I see. So now I want you to do the what I know on your own. What do you know about this right here that you are seeing? Once you have written your what I know, think about what the clues we wrote and what you know to make an inference on what you think is going on here in the picture. Once you have done your inference, do not forget to answer your 3 questions. If you need any help at all, please feel free to reach out. We are always here to help. If not, once you are done, do not forget to submit it to Teams. And we will see you here tomorrow for goals 3 and 4, Ray. Bye. I hope you have a wonderful day.